Chef James back again. What we're going to be doing is we're doing essentially some dessert noodles. When it comes to this, really all we did was we took some grapefruit juice, some blood orange juice, and we mixed it with agar-agar, brought it to a boil. And essentially what we're doing is we're cooling down. So it's similar to like gelatin in that sense, but kind of almost in reverse. So for this, I have some that are already been cooling. So what you do is you put the syringe, you put the liquid in here while it's cold. And now what we're going to do is I'm going to get a little bit of air in the syringe. And I'm essentially just going to eject the spaghetti. So if you watch, just like Jell-O, I'm clearly a very big kid. This is awesome for me. So what I'm going to do is show you now, and I'm just going to show you how to put it into the tubing. So I already have some of the tubing that's cold right now, and I got some of the syringe full of the grapefruit juice and blood orange juice with the agar-agar. And I'm going to go ahead and take this little tubing right here. Doesn't matter if there's water in it, it's perfectly fine. I'm going to put the syringe on one end, and then I'm just going to inject it. You kind of see it go around. And then right before I get to the end, I'm going to stick that down in there, put that in the water, take this off. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to submerge it. Okay, so once you actually submerge it in the ice water, it takes about 4 minutes. And then once that 4 minutes comes out, then again, you just take that syringe, you add some air to it, and you squish out these awesome little spaghetti strings for dessert.
Okay, so for our gel dessert pasta that we have right here, I'm going to go ahead. We have some creme anglaise. We have some segments of blood orange, grapefruit that's sitting on the bottom. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to take our gel noodles. So this makes kind of a fun, creative dessert pasta. And we have it so it's pretty tart and acidic, but with that creme anglaise is really rich. So it really does complement each other nicely. I also have a beet foam right here too that we're gonna go ahead and put down. Come through and clean up the rim of the plate right here. So remember, if you're plating anything that can stain really easily, go through, and if you soak your napkin or your paper towel or your regular terry cloth towel in some water with some vinegar, white wine vinegar, or just even distilled white vinegar, that works. Now we're just going to go ahead and just garnish with some sesame seeds, some of our microgreens, and then I also have some micro flowers that I went ahead and pulled out. And here is our dessert pasta with creme anglaise, beet foam, and our blood orange segments and grapefruit segments.